Hey everybody. Couple things, after my last video on Monday, I've had quite a few people in the clinic ask me what integrative medicine actually is. There seems to be just a little bit of confusion about what's happening with the practitioners that we brought in starting in August at Chiropractic First and now Integrative Medical of Rockford. So I wanted to just take a couple minutes here and tell you the difference both in philosophy and the type of treatment you receive from primary care integrative medicine. So, first of all, I just think it's a better way to live. It's much more philosophically based, similar to what we practice within the chiropractic principles, which is what we call innate intelligence. Innate intelligence is working with the body's inborn ability to self-know how to heal by removing interference and helping or supporting the body to heal from any ailment, whether something very serious or something very minor. So when you receive a chiropractic adjustment, what you're doing is you're reducing the interference on your neurology to help the body heal itself. So ultimately, integrative medicine is a whole body or body, mind, and spirit approach to look at someone. So what you're looking at is the whole person. So one of the things that I think is flawed from a more conventional approach is, for instance, if you have a heart problem, often you're only going to look at the heart. You might look at some of the indicators like blood pressure, cholesterol, or something, but unfortunately, in most cases, the person's not looking at why is the heart not working efficiently and what other factors could you do to help it function better. For instance, looking at stress hormones or thyroid levels or other things that do also affect how it works. So body, mind, and spirit, or whole body approach. Additionally, an integrative practitioner is going to use both conventional and alternative. Now, what you'll find, and many of you know this from seeing your family practitioner, is most family practitioners don't have a lot to offer as far as vitamins, supplements, other natural therapies, things that might be safer, things that actually oftentimes are more effective, but they are trained in a what's called conventional approach. And there's not saying there's anything wrong with that, but I personally believe there's a better way, and I know a lot of you watching believe there's a better way. I don't like if I go to the doctor, if they find something wrong in my blood work and the only option I'm given is a drug, or let's say lose weight or take a drug. I want to know what could be causing this problem, and ultimately, what are some ways that I can help my body heal itself or fix it so that I'm not on something long-term. So that's more of what an integrative approach does. It does, however, acknowledge that there are times that conventional medicine is the best way to go. There are certain extremes that medicine can be life-saving. There are certain times when your blood pressure is just flat out too high and you probably need to take a medication. You might be having a stroke. You could be having a heart attack. There are times that conventional medicine, we're lucky to live in the country that we do because we have some of the best available, especially in emergency conventional medicine. Now, to talk about this more, like I said at the beginning, facilitating the body's ability to heal itself. But the last thing I'm going to say is also they address the fact that there are certain medical tests that don't actually look for the cause. And what I mean by that is most medical testing only looks at what you would prescribe based on a negative outcome. And so I say that specifically because there are other tests out there that aren't going to be done at a traditional doctor. There are certain hair tests, blood tests. There are certain things that can look for heavy metal, hormone imbalances, vitamin and mineral deficiency, all these things that really could help you live a much, much better life, more energy, better health, less pain, preventing or managing certain diseases, reversing things that are lifestyle caused like type 2 diabetes or high blood pressure, some of that kind of stuff. So like I said, we have 2 practitioners starting in August that are able to provide family integrative medicine. And for anybody interested, you can just private message me or post on this video or make an appointment when you're in the office. Have a great day.